airplane challenge. Don't mind the birds. But this is really simple. Me and my contestant, Adam213, will be building two separate paper airplanes. And then we will be facing off in 3 little challenges. Challenge number 1, well, which one is the coolest looking? Challenge number 2 is which one flies the farthest? And challenge number 3 is how fast can it go? So let's get
right into it.
Woo! Guys, we had to make the paper airplanes so we can make the challenge of building. Just gonna end the video. Bye. Bye, guys. Just kidding. But we are gonna be building first, and then we will be doing the challenges.
Are we gonna do time lapse first when we do it?
Time lapse. So right now we're gonna be building. Time lapse mode activate. So Adam has finished his paper airplane. Take a look. Really nice. Yeah, let's lower that. Super nice. Nice design. Really sleek. Throw it. Just test it. That went pretty far from here to here. That's a long distance. Okay, guys. So it's my turn to make a paper. I can't speak.
Paper airplanes.
It's my turn to make a paper airplane. So let's go. Throw it so we could like run away, you know, like the camera will end. Now run. Yeah, go this way, get this way. So here's my legendary airplane. I'm not gonna throw it yet, just because, but first round is looks. So I'm just gonna bring in Adam213 right now, and we're gonna see which one looks better. Okay guys, so I have my paper airplane and Adam213's paper airplane, and we're just gonna take a close look, and we're gonna see which one's better. So let's see. Okay guys, so here is my paper airplane. This is what it looks like. From the tip, it looks really nice. From back here, it's really nice. To the back, it's really nice. Now, Adam213's paper airplane looks like this. Very modern, which is kind of nice. It's nice. I like it. In the back, there's nothing really nice to it except this part right here. So, Adam, which one looks better, mine's or yours?
Let's see. So you have. Mine is more bigger compared to yours, but yours are nicer.
So I get that point there?
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna vote for myself. Okay guys, so here's Adam's paper airplane and here's mine. His is longer, obviously. He went for the modern look. I got some advanced stuff in here. So which one's lighter? Mine's in the left, Adam's in the right. Oh my god, actually. Oh my god, such a big difference. Oh no! Oh, there's such a big difference. This is so heavy. It's like 100 tons. Okay, just joking. They're both. I feel like mine's a little heavier. His is really light, but I gotta go with me because I have the designs on it. Not being mean to Adam, his paper airplane looks really nice. Back here as well. But I just gotta give it to myself. I earned it. I got these on it. These. He doesn't have those. But the advantage is his is longer, therefore it probably goes farther. So, yeah, let's just second competition, how far it goes. Okay guys, so Adam's going first to see which one goes farther. So 3, 2, 1, shoot. That went, where'd it go? right here.
Yeah.
So you could say, if we grab this and put it there. So technically, from here,
all the way here, you mean?
yeah, from
To there.
here all the way to there. So pretty good.
I'll keep my airplane there so you know where to see if you can meet me.
Yeah. So my turn. Okay, guys. So now I'm gonna be testing how far this thing goes. I had a little blooper. I threw it and it hit the electricity line, and it just
The wire.
electricity wire. Sorry, and it fell. So this is the real round in 3, 2. Please don't fall. Please don't fail. Please don't ruin this.
Shoot!
For me.
Two.
No!
Yes! Oh yeah! Yeah! Oh yeah, guys! I win! I win! Me! I never knew my airplane was better.
Oh,
Woo!
you happy?
Take the L, mister.
Okay, we both have 1 point. So where's my line? Mine's landed right there. Therefore,
Mine. Peacock,
right
mine.
here. With his is over there. Therefore, I lose this round. Do
I
the
bet
celebration.
I do.
I do not care. Oh,
Oh, right to the camera!
okay, guys. So round 3 is durability. So who can rip? Yep. So if I can rip his under,
beautiful one.
if I could rip his, so I have 5 seconds to rip his to as many pieces as I want, and then he has 5 seconds to rip mine. Which plane has been shredded to more pieces? And the
Woo.
plane that has been shredded to more pieces, the other person loses, has to take a cup of hot sauce. So
I know.
let's get started.
I know I'm gonna lose because yours are like more stronger.
No, actually, I think, okay, yeah, you can open it, but I gotta start first. So 5 seconds. 3,
2, 1, 5, 4, 3,
rip,
2,
rip.
1, 0.
Okay, let's count this.
1,
One.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 pieces.
My turn.
Wait, that's 7. 6 pieces. Oh, Adam's turn. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. No.
Hey,
That last
it's not fair because I counted so slow and you got so much time. So all of these are mine.
What?
These are mine.
Okay, here's the deal. We both take a cup of hot sauce. I mean a spoon of hot sauce. How about that?
A small spoon.
Small spoon.
But wait, I have to count how much I have and see who has actually the hot sauce. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, I guess we're both taking hot sauce. Okay, guys, so Adam won overall. I mean, we both tied up overall with 6. So we both have to take a
Hot
little
sauce.
spoon of hot sauce. So
Let's get right into this.
Okay, guys, so the real winner is first to react and go crazy about the hot sauce loses. So you're supposed to stay still, you're not do anything about it till you've had enough and run to the sink to get a cup of water. So let's go. I'm gonna pour first. I'm gonna have a little one.
I pour for me. Okay? I pour for myself.
That's for me. Let's show them.
Okay.
And then Adam, I'm gonna do the same thing. I promise. I promise.
I want to hold it.
He's scared of hot sauce.
Okay, good.
No, it's the same. Okay, guys, first to react loses in 3.
No fair, you spilled a little bit. Wait,
It's just
first, I need water.
you barely you have 2 times smaller than me. I'm 2 times the size of him.
Put water for me.
Okay, hold this.
Yes.
Okay, guys, 1 second. Okay, guys, I got the water.
For me, not you.
How about first to grab the water?
No. I'm already holding it.
Okay, guys. So-
Hey, put a little bit more, you cheater.
Grab it. Oh, I got a
I
refill.
win.
Got a refill.
Not too much.
Now it's equal. Now it's equal. Okay, guys, sorry for the
Some-
interruptions.
Something looks like my hand's dirty.
Sorry, guys, I'm just taking a minute and
50 seconds.
by now. Here. I'm scared too. I've had hot sauce though.
Never eat hot sauce.
Sorry, guys. Oh, I thought you had it. Hi, Dada. Come.
Never eat hot sauce.
Oh, I thought you had it.
In 3.
Never eat hot sauce.
Take it.
Never eat hot sauce.
Take it. 3, 2,
2,
1.
1. So I actually have to do it.
Yeah.
No, you.
Hurry up.
It's
I technically won
scary.
I won this.
No.
Hurry up.
Can I have half?
Hurry
I
up.
hate hot sauce. Can I have half?
Okay, I win. Oh, my ears. I'm gonna take his. I'm taking his. Okay, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. It is Moes signing out for now.